Alright, hello guys. This is how I lost $200 trading today. Alright, so let's just quickly go over the trade I took. So I actually took a long on NQ. And obviously as you can see over here, it didn't really go too well. Didn't really go too well. And let me just explain to you why I actually took this trade. So even before we look at this bullshit, right? Let's just look at the hourly. Right. So you may be wondering, why did I take this trade? Well, simply, major reason I took this trade was look at this and look at this. So not so much the Dow Jones, but ES had swept all-time highs here, whilst at the same time NQ was down here in the dumps. And the Dow Jones also swept this hourly high here. So I was like, okay, NQ, ES, supposed to be linked together, right? So what I thought was we get a hourly sweep here and we quickly make legs up, quick reaction legs up, right? And as soon as I saw that, I was like, okay, this is gonna probably be more of a short-term trade in terms of not taking not taking too long. I mean, not staying in the trade for too long, right? Because I saw that ES was at all-time highs, and I immediately wanted NQ to reach all-time highs, right, which was over here. Now, after I saw that, okay, this is mistake number one. Mistake number one, I didn't wait for the 5-minute retrace, so I went against my strategy. So what I essentially went on was basically we got that reaction here and we made legs up, and as soon as I saw that, I wanted to enter as quick as possible because I thought, you know, NQ would follow ES and break all-time highs, right? So what I saw was a quick breaker structure here and then a retrace here. Now, originally I was looking for shorts on NQ after we swept these all-time highs here and then made the legs down, but we never got those shorts. Like, I was looking at this fair value gap as a point of entry, but we never hit that until the entry point of this long here. Now, looking back on this, right? Yes, I kind of see the vision, but low-key I was a bit stupid because I only just realized this now, but we already had swept all-time highs here. Whereas ES, we swept all-time highs later into this session. So that's mistake number two. And obviously I got stopped out here. But yeah, basically mistake number three is I just tried rushing it. I just tried forcing a trade. And I wasn't really, opening my eyes to opportunities. I was just, being retarded and just looking at NQ because I really wanted to take a trade today after not taking a trade in so long. So I guess that's mistake number three, not forcing a trade. And also mistake number four, right? Not seeing opportunities elsewhere. So yes, we got that hourly sweep here, but then if I really if I just used my brain, if I wasn't too focused on NQ, ES made the perfect entry for shorts, right? Like, this is literally to the T what my strategy is, right? So you get that sweep of all-time highs, and we made an instant reaction down and got the legs up here. That 5-minute retrace back up. And from there, we got that 1-minute break here, and we tapped into this fair value gap, and obviously we respected it, would have entered here. But, me being a retard, I looked at NQ and I was like, oh, ES was there. Why not force a trade on NQ? So cost us very dearly here. And I think mentally I'm just not there. Like, mentally, like I really like mentally, like I'm not there in terms of being like having enough capacity and having enough mental capacity to handle looking at, I guess, looking at different opportunities at the same time, right? Because you got to make those split decisions, right? And obviously I was only looking for shorts, but then I made the split decision change to make the longs, and obviously I was wrong here. But yeah, pretty disappointed in myself. Pretty disappointed today. Um, yeah, nothing much more to say. Just mistake after mistake after mistake after mistake. And only person to blame is myself here. But that's alright. We'll move on from this. We just need to learn from it and learn to not force a trade. And with the non-farm payroll coming out tomorrow, and with you know this realization that I'm just mentally not there, I think I'm gonna be taking a break from trading tomorrow, or for like at least the next couple of days, because yeah, I don't know. It's just I'm just disappointed in myself. Should have done better in this scenario. Literally had the perfect opportunity here, but instead I took a shitty trade here. But that's alright. That's alright, guys. That's alright. We'll bounce back from this and we'll bounce back even better. But yep. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video, and yep. See ya.